TJ knows.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this wig is courtesy of Vanessa Hair Fashion. They were kind enough to send me another wig, and so let's just jump right into all the deets of this unit. So this is their Vanessa 360 Brazilian Human Hair Blend Swiss Silk Lace Wig, and it is in the style T360HB JENIE. And it's in the color OMT/G star. So this is the unit. I'm sure I'll give you guys an up close so you guys can see it up close. So what I've learned when it comes to Vanessa Hair Fashion is they're usually like a beautiful surprise. They usually have like really customized colors that I feel like you don't get anywhere else. And sometimes, if you guys have seen my other videos, it'll look like the packaging where it looks like there's not a part, but then it'll be like, voila, there is a part, and it doesn't look as wiggy as I thought it was. So I'm always interested to see what beautiful surprise I'm gonna get from a Vanessa Hair Fashion unit. So this unit was no different, and so I actually got the option to choose what color I wanted, and I only had to go off of a picture. So from the picture I was like, okay, that seems like a cool little color I can work with. But when I opened the packaging, I was like, I don't know if this color is gonna work for me. And so I was really nervous, and I literally like laid it on my couch for like a smooth 3 days, 2 to 3 days, because I was like, can I make it work? Will I make it work? So y'all know that I try to make different colors work for myself, and so I was just kind of nervous, and maybe it was because I didn't have any makeup on, I don't know. But today is the day that I decided to go ahead and give it a try. I wasn't sure what makeup look to do, but I was like, hey, I think this could work with it. And I guess what really made me nervous is that it's so many dimensions to this unit, where it's like, okay, I see like this, it's like an ash blonde, but then it's like, I don't know what color to call this. like a blonde, I don't know, grayish blonde. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what's the color thing, but guess what, y'all? I love it. I surprisingly love it. Once I put it on my head, and it really took me doing like the baby hairs and just kind of customizing it to how I like it. And then I was like, okay, I can see it. I'm feeling it. I can work it. So ultimately, that's my final opinion on this unit, is that it was a beautiful surprise as far as the color. So I absolutely love how versatile this unit is. As I've shown you guys already, you can part it anywhere in this area. Now, once you get closer to the side, you will see like the what is it called, like the track or something. So that's something that you just have to be mindful. But if you wanted to wear, like, let's say a middle part, I'm sure you could rock a middle part with no problem, no issues. I also love that you can wear it pony up. I tried to show it to you guys in like a low pony and then I think a high pony. But the thing about it is, for the high pony, you would definitely have to secure this unit, and I don't have it to where it's secured enough for me to feel comfortable to put it up in a high ponytail. However, I did see the potential. So with me having the baby hairs and, you know, taking some of the hair up, the flaps on the side were coming up too. So that's when I was like, okay, and I need to go somewhere. So I couldn't give you guys the full gist of it. But yeah, I definitely can see the potential if you were to put some type of adhesive down to secure the wig, and then you could definitely rock it as a high ponytail. So yes, I absolutely love how versatile it is. Now, I showed it to you guys from the back. I didn't even see it because I didn't have a mirror or anything. So if it's good and you guys didn't see any lace, then that's absolutely amazing. If you guys did see lace, then my apologies, but I didn't have a mirror to see, so I just kind of like hurried up and did it. But yeah, I absolutely love this unit, especially rocking it down. I love the pattern of it. I didn't even feel like it was necessary to comb it out because it kind of already comes with like this frizzy kind of natural look, which I'm all here for. It looks natural to me. So yeah, I didn't feel the need to go ahead and brush it, and I feel like it probably would have got even bigger, which I don't have a problem with volume, but I feel like it's okay. I didn't need to brush it out or anything. It's voluminous. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Hopefully you guys love it. Thank you again, Vanessa Hair Fashion, for sending me another unit. Thank you guys for being an amazing company, because y'all, Vanessa Hair Fashion is one of my favorites that I work with, and they're so patient with me giving you guys these wig reviews. And so yeah, I absolutely love you guys. I love them. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit. Let me know what you're thinking about the color, y'all. And so yes, I hope to see you guys in my next video.